Today at BHP UK we've got this BMW 116i in. It's the F20 model running the N13 engine. They're electronically limited at the factory to produce only 134 brake horsepower. As is normally the case with the down-tuned models, they've actually made a little bit more on our dyno. This particular one made 143 on our dyno. We always love tuning these cars. There's a little bit of free power ready for us to take just from the factory, and then on top of that these normally tune to normally over 210 brake horsepower.